Won't you come with me? I'll show you around the world. Come with the traveler Sheila D. Won't you come with me? I'll show you around the world. Come with the traveler Sheila D. Passport on check, luggage on check. Boarding passes and excursions booked on check. Passport on check, luggage. Come with the traveler Sheila D. Travel with me.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a blessed day. This is the Traveler Sheila D and I'm back with another video. Today's footage you will see from my visit to Arusha, Tanzania, which is located in Africa, and I hope you enjoy. Welcome to the Gran Melia Arusha. This hotel is absolutely gorgeous. Out of the 3 hotels that my daughter and I stayed at, this was by far my favorite. Look at this amazing view outside of the balcony. We're snapping up pictures after our dinner.